Global energy demand continues to rise, but known fossil fuel reserves are more difficult than ever to recover, requiring new technologies and more drilling activity, placing increased pressures on the planet.
Solazyme has spent over a decade and over $500 million developing a technology platform to solve some of the biggest problems facing our planet. First and foremost, energy.
The challenges for the drilling industry are significant. Drilling deeper and drilling horizontally through harder rock takes more energy, time, and precision. Increased use of harmful drilling chemicals creates additional environmental risk. In standard drilling practice, increased friction slows down operations. Mud engineers react by adding a slug of liquid lubricant. These conventional liquid lubricants seep into the rock formations, are pulled out in drill cuttings, and can lose effectiveness while circulating. What's more, lubricant loss increases drag and torque, putting expensive equipment at risk. All of this adds cost, which leaves the industry looking for a high-performance solution. To meet this need, we've developed Encapso, the world's first encapsulated biodegradable lubricant, designed so customers can drill faster, straighter, and cleaner. Encapso's shell protects the high-performance liquid lubricant inside. Encapso is proactively added to the drilling fluid at the onset of operations, before problems occur. It circulates freely as an inert ingredient without seeping into formations, sticking to drill cuttings, or losing effectiveness. When Encapso encounters friction, it activates, delivering a high concentration of lubricant. In comparison with traditional lubricants that are more dispersed and lost in the system, Encapso's targeted delivery means more lubricant exactly where and when you need it. And if you don't need it, Encapso can be reused in subsequent wells. Encapso means reduced environmental impact, minimal waste, lower costs, and higher performance. Developed through Solazyme's groundbreaking biotechnology platform, Encapso can be programmed for customer needs by increasing or decreasing the strength of the shell. Encapso can also be tailored to contain different amounts and types of liquid lubricant for a variety of drilling needs. Encapso's efficacy has been demonstrated in both the lab and field, including a rig test with Frank Hsu, one of the inventors of horizontal drilling.
In our testing, Encapso demonstrated its ability to reduce friction, reduce the drag, decrease the torque, and improve the penetration rate. It is a revolutionary formulation.
Because it is liberated at the point of contact, I may be able to drill this well with 2 bits instead of 5. Well, every time I trip a bit out of the ground, it costs me $1 million.
I introduced Encapso to a few customers and worked with them on several wells that they were drilling. In all cases, we witnessed marked improvements in directional control. We saw an 11% average reduction in torque and increased borehole quality.
What impressed me about Encapso most is the ability for me to do what I need to do in the shortest period of time. It also translates into money, because time is money.
After adding Encapso to the system, we saw a rate of increase in our rate of penetration from 2 feet per hour to 40 feet per hour. Encapso is a game changer because you're reducing your torque, you're reducing your drag, you're reducing your coefficients of friction all at the same time. No other product on the market does that.
The world's appetite for energy just keeps growing, and Solazyme has developed a new solution, Encapso, to help reduce the costs and the environmental footprint while helping meet this increased demand for energy.